Why your morning routine matters.
Starting your day with intention can make a huge difference in how you manage anxiety. A calming routine sets the tone, helps regulate stress hormones, and fosters a sense of control. Making small, mindful choices first thing in the morning can help you feel grounded and resilient before challenges arise.
Wake up gently and avoid rushing.
Wake up a bit earlier to allow time for yourself. Rather than grabbing your phone, take a few slow, deep breaths. Stretch lightly or sit quietly for a moment. Let your body and mind gradually shift from sleep to wakefulness. Starting slowly can ease anxiety and prevent you from feeling overwhelmed.
Practice mindfulness or gratitude.
Even a few minutes of deep breathing, focusing on the present, or recalling positive moments can reduce anxiety. Regularly practicing gratitude helps train your brain to notice the good throughout the day.
Fuel your body wisely.
Choose a nourishing breakfast to support your mental and physical well-being. Foods rich in protein, healthy fats, and whole grains can stabilize your mood and energy levels. Hydrate with a glass of water to refresh your body. Avoid excessive caffeine, which may increase jitteriness or anxious feelings.
Set realistic intentions for the day.
Take a moment to set gentle intentions rather than creating a long to-do list. Reflect on 1 or 2 achievable goals and remind yourself it's okay to adjust plans if needed. Prioritizing self-compassion and flexibility can help keep anxiety in check as the day unfolds.
Keep it consistent, but be flexible.
Consistency helps build habits, but it's important to adapt as needed. If a part of your morning routine stops working, try something new or shorten your practice. Mindfully tuning in to what you need each morning can help you stay resilient and kinder to yourself, even on stressful days.